Okay, let's go. Okay, where are we going? Okay.
You gotta go upstairs forward.
Okay. So just as a little context for you guys, we are at High Knob doing a little skiing. My brother's sitting next to me. He doesn't want to be on camera. But it's not actually that cold outside because we've got the right equipment on. But they've got snow going everywhere and it looks absolutely beautiful here. And I'm having a blast, and hopefully we can come back again in a couple of weeks. But I'm just gonna go back to skiing and show you guys what we're doing. I'm going to go down the hill. Oh, I don't freaking jump. So first, look at that view. That is a beautiful view. Wow, I love that. I'm about to go down that hill, and I hope to God I don't freaking die.
On the hill when we got there, you go so fast on freshly green snow. Plus, it's great for karting.
I can barely see you. Yeah. Having a little trouble there? What?
That's really not supposed to be like that, is it?
I don't know.